Welcome to Dura-Gold. Rectangular hand sanding block with hook and loop backing and PSA conversion adapter. Uniquely designed rectangle hook and loop hand sanding block with a two-way design system that allows it to be used with both hook and loop and PSA sandpaper sheets. Includes an attachable PSA conversion adapter pad. Installing is easy. Just attach the adapter pad to the hook and loop backing of the sanding block, then apply your PSA sandpaper sheet. Constructed with medium-density durable polyurethane foam. A versatile hand block for sanding or polishing in auto body and paint shops, detailing shops, drywalling, crafting projects, and much more. Scan QR code to check out our complete lineup of Dura-Gold products. Take your project to the next level with Dura-Gold. Thanks for watching. Check out more of our videos and subscribe for future videos.